you go.
All right, guys. This is Bowman Chrome Mixer 2 years, 2020 and 2021. Random team number 4. Good luck here.
Good luck, crew.
7 times.
All right, 7 times. We got teams first. We got Arizona down to the Nats. Good luck here. 30 teams. There you go. 7 times tonight. Toronto down to 20s. Toronto, give away that bat if we can fill that baseball tonight. Fine folks, this one you got Noonan, Mark I, Alex P, McGordy, Paul, Ultadale a couple times, Ruzek down in Maryland, Jeff Toller, Ricky, Nick BK, Jay Nash, Smitty, Casey Whitaker, welcome to the group, Mark I, Greg Allen, Doobie, Burbank, Don King, Dunk, Alec Byers, welcome as well, Jeff Toller. Some new names, love to see it. Patty with her 3, Gabe and Cedrone 7 times. Lovely night for a Superfractor. It's always a lovely night for a Superfractor, but we haven't pulled one in a bit. And here you go. Good luck. 7. Alex P up top.
We've not pulled a super in a very long time.
I think the last one was the Mountcastle.
Yeah, I know why you're giving that to me.
Toronto, Alex P, Paul, Minnesota. Show that it worked. This Paul of Minnesota.
I gave that too. I don't know what the hell. Shit.
There it is. Patty in that 2-hole with them Red Sox.
All right, guys. Good luck.
Good luck, crew. You got this. I'll go have a bite. Throw card came on. You're all set, crew. Good luck in this one.
If Mike Stanton's healthy next year, man, I think he's gonna end up leading the league in home runs.
He's never healthy.
I know, but this year he was healthy for what? Like probably like 80% of the season, right?
Yeah.
Brewers never fail. Last night, that second hit, the one that they sent Judge on, dumbest decision ever. That was an absolute missile. I mean, he hit it like right in front of us. He hit it right in front of us. Yeah, the first one was a little lower. Second one, nuts. Good luck, guys. Speaking of home runs, Rizzo. Mark Vientos, $4.99 Mets. Here's our auto, Tyler Ivey, Houston.
I left it at the house. I filled it right in front of you and left it.
Yep.
Purple,
Yeah,
Juan Soto out of 250. Copy it. 3 cards in. Oops, my bad. And we go on mini box number 2. We got Suarez out of 499. And Zach Collins on the rookie auto for the White Sox. Tim. Purple Shimmer, Clark Schmidt for the Yanks. And that will do it for 2020 hobby. Chrome there. Nothing special. Anyone else go to the game last night? Energy was awesome, I'll tell you that. The vibe there was great. It's like old school playoff baseball. Do you think the Rays will win the American League? I think the Rays. I actually didn't think the Yankees had a shot against the Rays, but I could be wrong. I think the Rays are going to be the team to beat.
It's not the Sox. I'd love to see the White Sox.
What's that? The White Sox-Rays will be a hell of a matchup if that happens.
I'd love to see if the Sox don't go to the series. I'd love to see it to be the White Sox.
Yeah, they're good. The Rays are just crazy. They do that closer crap opener.
Yeah.
Okay. White Sox are a fun team. be funny if the Dodgers lost tonight.
I mean, the Cardinals are like the hottest team in baseball. So.
One game, anybody can win.
Yeah. Yep, exactly. All right, here we go, guys. Good luck. Got a speckle of Asa Lacy for the Royals. Nice. And got a greenie of Taylor Dollard out of 99 for the Mariners. The Mariners never fail.
Not this stuff.
Kirilloff. Alvarez. Francisco Alvarez for the Mets on the shimmer. Luis Rodriguez base. There we go for the Dodgers. There's the Dodgers anyways. Dodgers are Dan Noonan. Ooh, Noonan must be like, come on, pull him for me one time. And we go on to purple of Poyu Chen for the Pirates. This card's didn't come up. And we got base auto. Yep, Kyle Hurt. Damn, a lot of pitchers today so far. Kyle Hurt for the Marlins, base auto. Cronenworth, Baum. Alright. Did we get pitchers in the first box too? No, we got, what's his name? Catcher. Alright, we gotta step it up here. So far it's been wheat on the ink. Beautiful night for a super fractor, says Justin. So let's pull one right here. You know what I mean there, Chief? Good luck. First up, Brady Whalen for the Cardinals. Brady Whalen, $4.99. St. Louis. That's going to go to Jeff Toller. That's a refractor. Nice. Tyler Dyson for the Nats. That's a pitcher. And Kendall Simmons. Not bad for the Phillies. We got two position players. Jeff Toller. Jeff Toller, do you have St. Louis and Philly? Yep, there you go. 2 out of the 3. And let's get this HTA from 2021. Bang, bang. Let's get it. Fat pack. Just kidding. Can't get a fat pack in this, can you? Huh. Base on top. It's going to be no other than George Feliz. George Feliz for the Mariners. Not bad. Glove already breaking. Aldo Ramirez, pitcher for the Red Sox. Boston, Patty. And we got a Pirate. Boom. Santiago Flores, another pitcher. Out of $2.99 for Pittsburgh. Brock. Man, a lot of pitchers, unfortunately. But, appreciate that fill, guys. Speckle Lacy, Shimmer Alvarez, Suarez refractor, Vientos refractor, Schmidt purple, Shimmer, Chen purple, Soto purple, Cronenworth, Baum, Kirilloff, Luis Rodriguez base. Yeah, rough little box here, Justin. Parallel wise, you know, we got a green, but nothing crazy. Ramirez, Dyson, Simmons, Hurt, Ivy, Zach Collins, refractor Brady Whalen, shimmer, speckle of Flores, green of Dollard out of 99, and base of Feliz. Appreciate that, guys.